Hi everyone, welcome back to Thanh An Hair channel. I'm Victoria. With over 20 years hair experience and improving technology, Thanh An Hair always update latest products to supply customers with best quality and best service. Today, I will make the difference of genial weft hair and hand-tied weft hair to trendy weaving hair extension. Genial weft, the most invisible weft hair, extremely flat lace, seamless hair weft, hand-tied weft, the thinnest hand-tied weft, luxurious soft hair strands, more durable during use and maintenance. Most of all are quick and easy to install. Moreover, we can customize customer length and weight, mix with every demand. Genial weft can be cut anywhere. Hand-tied weft can be cut at will, as standard in Thanh An Hair Factory. 100 grams equivalent to piece of genial weft. 1 piece 50 grams. 100 grams equivalent 4 pieces of hand-tied weft. 1 piece 25 grams. Most of all are made from 100 Vietnamese hair, the highest hair quality material on hair field. Genial weft and hand-tied weft are very beautiful, strong, healthy donors. Super shiny hair, super silky hair, and super soft hair strands. Hair extensions are no setting, no tangle, various in length and colors. Genial weft and hand-tied weft is highly favored. Warning: choose hair extension as your own hair. Hair extension always remain beautiful during correct hair care and treatment. Please contact with us to get more detailed information about our product. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you in the next video.